Namaskar EET CRS Education Expo TV and 10th Science and Technology Award. My name is Anup Singh Patwal, presently working with Institute of Hotel Management, Dehradun as Assistant Lecturer since July 2014. I am enriched with 14 years of experience in hotel industry as well as hospitality and catering education, which includes experience with some of the finest establishments in India. I have done Masters in Tourism Management from Indira Gandhi National Open University in the year 2011. I've also received MBA in Hospitality Management from Kurukshetra University in the year 2014. I am a UGC NET qualified in the field of tourism, administration, and management in the year 2017. I'm also a certified hospitality trainer from National Council of Hotel Management and Ministry of Tourism in the year 2009. Presently, I am pursuing my doctoral program in hotel management from IMS Unison University, Dehradun, on the research area tourist motivation and satisfaction level with homestays in Uttarakhand. As a research scholar, I take great interest in research areas of tourism marketing, sustainable tourism, and hospitality education. I have presented many research articles and research papers in various national and international conferences and seminars. I've also published many research papers in various national and international journals. I have been awarded with Young Teacher Welcome Award 2014 by Indian Hospitality Congress in the year 2014. As an educator, I focus on student centric teaching methods which make sure students not only understand the subject taught but also gain the in-depth knowledge of the subject. As an academician and a research scholar, I want to request fellow researchers and educators to firmly follow quality to increase the attractiveness of academic career. I would like to congratulate 10th Science and Technology Award for acknowledging researchers, educators, and scientists. I'm very fortunate to be affiliated with Education Expo TV and 10th Science and Technology Award. I hope that I will find 10th Science and Technology Award an enriching platform to share and receive invaluable inputs from renowned experts and peers. My best wishes to all. Thank you very much.